Welcome to a short video by Automotive Control, based in Bristol. We've got a Audi A4 2010. This has got the Audi multimedia audio system. We've got Bang & Olufsen speakers, and we've got the AMI port in the glove box, and we've got a really archaic navigation and multimedia system, which we're going to upgrade to Apple CarPlay. So using the standard controls on the center console, we can access our audio source by selecting the auxiliary port. That will give us audio through the speakers, and then by pressing and holding the menu button on the factory controls, we then source into Apple CarPlay. Unit also has Android Auto, which is Android's equivalent version, which is the same principle but a different look and feel. So essentially we've got quite a few different applications which are compatible. For example, we've got Apple Music, we've got Apple Maps, we've got Google Maps, Waze Maps, Spotify, different BBC podcasts, quite a few different music source selections we can make. We've also got voice activated control on your navigation as well. I'll just give you a quick demonstration of that. This is all controlled through the factory console. Your steering wheel controls will still work, your volume.
Weston-super-Mare.
There we go, we're off to Weston-super-Mare. Have a jolly on the pier. And we can have our Spotify or Apple Music playing in the background, or any number of compatible audio maps. Yeah, this upgrade can be...
Would you like me to compose a new message or make a call?
No, thank you.
Okay.
We can add this system into most Audis, A4s, Q5s, A5s, they're the most popular. Also BMW, Mercedes, quite a big list of different vehicles we can add this function into. It's a really nice modern upgrade for what is a fairly outdated multimedia system. So yeah, any more questions, queries, give us a shout. Automotive Control, based in Bristol. Thanks very much for watching.